Malin Kundang. Once upon a time, in a small fishing village on the coast of West Sumatra, there lived a poor widow and her only son named Malin Kundang. Malin was a smart and hard-working boy. Every day, he helped his mother sell cakes at the market. They lived a simple but happy life, although they were very poor. One day, a large ship came to the shore. The ship's crew was looking for young men to work as sailors. Malin wanted to join them so he could earn money and make his mother proud. His mother was sad to let him go, but finally agreed. She hugged him and said, "Be careful, my son. Don't forget me." Malin promised he would return. Years passed, but Malin never came back. His mother waited every day, praying for his safety. One bright morning, a big and beautiful ship arrived at the harbor. People said the rich merchant on the ship was Malin Kundang. His mother quickly went to the beach to meet him. She was so happy and ran to hug her son. However, Malin was ashamed of his old mother. She wore torn clothes, and he didn't want his elegant wife and crew to see her. When the old woman called his name, Malin shouted, "Go away, old woman! I don't know you!" His mother was shocked and heartbroken. With tears in her eyes, she prayed to God to punish her ungrateful son. After that, dark clouds covered the sky. Thunder roared and strong winds blew. Malin's ship was hit by lightning and was broken into pieces. When the storm ended, the villagers saw a statue of a man lying on the beach. It looked exactly like Malin Kundang. From that day on, the villagers believed that the stone was Malin, who had been cursed for denying his mother.